Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your headphones JLAB GOWORK with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. Now, if you see Bluetooth and other devices, press this line or click Enter. Now, you need to click Add Device button at the right top, but if you have Windows 10, you will have this button at the top. And in this window, you need to select Bluetooth. Now, we should enter to pairing mode. We have two options how to enter pairing mode. The first one, if your headphones turn off, at the bottom of your right ear cup, near to the USB-C port and the LED light, we have power button, and you need to press and hold this power button until the LED lights start blinking red and blue. And we just enter to pairing mode and we see them at the device list. The second option, your headphones can be turned on or turn off, and you can turn on them but not enter to pairing mode, only turn on them. And if your headphones do not connect it with other devices, they will enter to pairing mode. Now you should see that we will have the pairing mode. If your headphones already connected with some device, you can or disconnect it. So you can go to the settings, Bluetooth for connected devices, click at the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones, and you will you can click disconnect or unpair. So that's it. And as you can see, this headphones enter to pairing mode. Let me reopen it. So after that, click at your headphones and then click done. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.